Best secrets for selling photos on Etsy. Promoting pics on Etsy is a great way to sell your paintings in a brand new market and earn money at the equal time. Many photographers use this as a manner to earn extra money. Others deal with it as a complete time job. Either way, both companies approach Etsy a totally precise way to be successful. Decide on what you are going to promote. There are numerous creative ways of promoting photos on Etsy. You can pick one or a combination of the subsequent alternatives. Physical prints. Human beings love putting art on their partitions or shopping for small prints of lovely landscapes. Prints are remarkable items for pals and family as nicely. High quality of all, they're always in demand, regardless of time or season. Promoting bodily prints comes with numerous logistical and design-related demanding situations. Earlier than you can sell prints in this form, you need to make certain the transport charges aren't overwhelming. Virtual prints. In case you don't need to worry about logistics, you can sell digital versions of your images. Users gets a download link to your photo as quickly as they buy it. That is one of the easiest and fastest methods to earn cash on Etsy. If your photographs are hanging and are followed via the right keywords, your business will entice quite a few buyers. Images, sources and textures. Some photographers change images of various textures. Customers can flip those into prints, or use them in design or images initiatives. Assets are very popular. Like Lightroom presets, they are able to enhance a simple picture. If you take sharp and appealing photos of textures, you ought to deliver this feature a shot. Images books. This is a tremendous choice to exhibit your work in one ebook. Again, you could trade this within the shape of ebooks or actual bodily copies. In case you don't need to create a easy image ebook, you could write a guide accompanied via your snapshots. Or you could create a ebook filled with behind-the-scenes pics or innovative memories. Happy selling! Please support me. https://www.youtube.com/channel/uchkoqlwxqdzxf0nzgogpg